Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rosana Samoy Guillermo. I'm 34 years old from Barangay San Isidro Jose Isabela, Philippines, ma'am.
Okay, what is your educational level?
My educational attainment, ma'am, is a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, how many kids you have?
Two kids, madam.
How old are they now?
They're 5 and 6 years old, ma'am.
Okay, if you come Hong Kong, who will take care of your kid?
My mother, ma'am.
Okay, how about your experience working abroad in Saudi, right?
Yes, madam.
How many years?
3 years, ma'am.
3 years. Which
Three
year
years.
to which year?
2015 and 2018.
2018. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what is your job duty in Saudi when you start working? And the kids, how old?
um, Cleaning, washing the dishes, and preparing foods for the kids, and helping the elder.
Okay. How many family members they have?
They 4 members, ma'am.
Four members. How old
Oh,
were the kid when you start working?
ma'am,
How old were the kid when you start working? How old?
how old? They're, I think,
The kid, I
uh,
mean the
the
child.
kids,
Mhm.
the child, 5 years old, 5 years old, and 3 years old.
3 years old. Okay, two kids.
Two kids, madam, boy
Okay,
and girl.
okay, boys and girls. Are you the
Two
only
boys.
one helpers in the house?
Yes, madam. I'm only one, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay, 5 years old one is the boy. Is a boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So, what time you wake up?
Um, 3 o'clock
3
or
a.m.
yes, madam. And
Why that
sometimes
earlier?
4. Yes, ma'am. Very early.
Early. So, what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock you go to bed. So, after you wake up,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you need to do?
I'm just preparing, madam, and cleaning and vacuuming all the surroundings.
Okay, do you need to wake up the kid and send them school?
Yes, madam.
What time you need to wake up the kid?
I 4 o'clock. 4
4 o'clock they
o'clock.
need to wake up.
Yes, yes,
What time
madam.
is their school?
I don't know, ma'am, what time, because sometimes they're out of the house is 9 o'clock, or sometimes 8 o'clock, like that, ma'am.
Okay, so why they need to wake up that early? 4
Because
a.m.
because they need, ma'am.
Oh, employer asks you to wake them up
Yes,
4 a.m.
yes,
Mm-hmm. Okay, so do you need to make breakfast for the kid?
ma'am.
Do you need to make breakfast for the kid?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of breakfast you make for them?
Milk and bread, like, ma'am.
Milk and bread. Okay. So the employer, the lady employer and the man employer, they are working outside or they stay at home.
They're outside, ma'am, working outside.
Okay. So for the 5 years old one and the 3 years old one, 3 years old one, if if they stay with you at home, what will you do with them? Play games with storybook, anything you, any activity.
I play with them and I sing with them, and I read with them,
Mm, okay. You them. Okay. So you can read storybook.
ma'am.
You can read storybook with them. Read storybook.
S- Storybook.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but sing lang, ma'am. Sing. Just
Okay,
sing
see.
only.
Okay. Okay, do you know some nursery song?
Nursery. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you show
Bab,
me?
Baba Black Sheep, ma'am.
Oh, can you show me a short clip? Sing for me.
Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for our master, one for the dame, one for the old man who lives down the lane.
Very nice. Okay, okay. So why you want to come Hong Kong?
because I I I want to earn money to provide needs and to build my own house.
Mm, okay. Uh, may I know what will you do if the two kids, 5 years old one and a 3 years old one, keep fighting with each other? What will you do?
Uh,
What will you
I
do?
want
Two kids, they keep fighting, like your kid, they keep fighting at home. What will you do?
I just get the one to hug. So I
Separate.
will yes, I will to separate and then I will tell to the one that don't fighting.
Mm. Okay. So, and what will you do if you find it not, they are not feeling well? Maybe have high fever. What will you do?
I just tell to the employer
Mm-hmm.
to ask permission first, ma'am.
Like what you need to do? Okay. Do you need to do baking, like
Yes,
cooking
madam.
in
Yes.
Saudi, like pizza?
Pizza? No, ma'am.
No need to do baking.
No, no,
Bake. Okay. Do you have your own dog and own cat in Philippines?
no, ma'am.
You don't have pet.
No,
Okay. But
dog
you don't
only, ma'am.
okay.
Just dog only.
How many dogs do you have?
One dog, ma'am.
One dog. Okay. So you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
afraid of dog and cat.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye
Thank you,
bye.
ma'am.